Right, to get to the lock, which is valuable. If you're selling all 3 locks, it's a good idea to sell all 3. You need to get rid of the mirror, windscreen, I mean the glass. I'm gonna keep the glass anyway, just in case. That was good for spares. So you need to unscrew these 2 bolts and then couple down there. I'll show you in a second. So let's get onto these ones. Actually, guys, I would just take it out with a whole assembly. It's much easier as these bolts. There's a lot of fucking about, and maybe someone wants the whole assembly anyway. So you gotta remove these 2 bolts. Then there is a couple under here, and I think maybe under there. No, there isn't under there, so just under here. So let's do it. Also, don't forget to remove these door seals to take out your glass. They're literally, once you disconnect them from here, careful not to rip them. You use this tool, and then you literally just grab it by one of the holes and pull it out. I don't think anyone's gonna buy this door as it's damaged. Yeah, it's no point for anyone to have it really, so I'm just gonna strip it of everything, and then you know, maybe someone will want it for a 10 or something. But the problem is it still gets catching on these bolts, so definitely need to undo them. I was hoping we didn't have to, but we have to. Oh well. Okay, don't forget to take your box with all the wires. That's all very important. So they're held here, here. I think this is it. But obviously just a Phillips screwdriver on your handle. Okay, sometimes you just need to switch on your brain a little and you will work everything out. Basically this spins out basically, but it won't spin out. So at first, so you just need to basically, I really need to get some decent filming equipment. Okay, just put a screwdriver in there and then tap it on top with a hammer, and then it will all come out. Okay, here's to show you how the rear locks. I held on. As you can see, there is a clip there. So I'm gonna remove that clip. Well, here, I don't have a fucking clue at the moment, to be honest with you. And this lock is not allowing us to take out this door lock. Central locking, which is gonna be quite expensive thing. Okay, well, let's try and release this then.